Hello children, good morning to all. In this class, we will continue revising lesson 3 occupations in India, arts and crafts of India. In our previous class, we have discussed occupations, how flour reaches us and how clothes are made. In this class, we will discuss arts and crafts of India. I request all of you to take out page 211, arts and crafts of India. India is well known for its arts and crafts. Artisans use different raw materials and different designs to make many beautiful objects. So India is famous, is well known for its arts and crafts. It means that what do you mean by arts and crafts? The handmade things, the drawings and paintings, and the handmade things are known as arts and crafts. So India is well known. India is very famous for arts and crafts. Artisans use different raw materials and different designs to make many beautiful objects. The artisans in our country, they use different raw materials to make different things or different objects. The artisans use different raw materials and they use different designs to make many beautiful objects. Goods made in Rajasthan, Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat, Assam and South India are famous around the world. There are some states which are very famous for arts and crafts all over the world. The states are Rajasthan, Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat, Assam and South India. These are some of the states which are famous around the world. So the goods, whatever the things, the handmade things made in Rajasthan, Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat, Assam and South India are famous around the world. Some of the handicrafts which are made by the artisans in India are, some pictures are given here. The first one is embroidered clothes. The next one is juttis, silk, bamboo goods, Madhubani paintings, marble inlay works. So these are some of the handicrafts, arts and crafts which are made by people of our country India, which are famous all over the world. These all things are handmade things, so they are known as arts and crafts. So dear children, I hope you understood about arts and crafts of India. To make those things, the people, they don't use machines to make this. They use small tools to make these handicrafts, these craft items. So dear children, in this class we have learned about different occupations in India: agriculture, industries and service sector occupations. So I hope you understood about occupations in India. Next, page 212, workout. A. Fill in the blanks with the correct answers. 1. Dash turn thread into cloth. The answer is weavers. B. Weavers. So write weavers in the given blank. I request all of you to check workout once again. So the weavers, when the cotton is taken to the factory, okay, the spinners will turn into thread and the thread is again supplied to the industries where weavers are available. So all the thread are combined together, they are turned into cloth by the weavers. And what the weavers do? The weavers give the cloth to the tailor and the tailor stitches cloth and the clothes are available in the market. So the answer is weaver. 2. When the wheat crops ripen, the farmers dash them. So when the farmer grow crops, so when it ripens, when it is ready, what the farmers do? The farmers harvest. That is option B. That is, they collect the crops and they sell them to the factories or industries, and the industries will use these raw materials in the factories to produce manufactured goods. The answer is harvest. Next 3, banking is a and dash job. So banking is a, options are agricultural, service, industrial. So banking is what type of job, what type of occupation? It is service-based occupation. So the answer is write service in the given blank. Banking provides service to the people. 4. Dash is the product manufactured from wheat. So which is the product manufactured from the raw material wheat? From wheat, what do we get? We get flour. So the answer is C, flour. Write flour in the given blank. Next, B. Write T for true and F for false. 1. The cultivation of crops like coffee cannot be regarded as agriculture. This statement is false. Why false? Because the cultivation of crops, the cultivation of coffee is regarded as agriculture. Okay, but here in this statement it is written here it is not regarded as agriculture. This is false. Cultivation of coffee is an agriculture. So next, 2. Raw materials from agriculture are used by industries. The answer is true. Yes. Right? T in the given blank. Yes. Question number 2. Raw materials from agriculture, whatever crops are grown, whatever the crops are grown by the farmers, they are harvested and they send those raw materials to the industries, and in industries the people will use different machines and they will make into manufactured goods and it will be available in the market. So raw materials, whatever raw materials from agriculture are used by the industries. 3. Telephone offices are a part of the industrial sector. This is false. Why? Because telephone offices are part of service sector. So they provide service to the people. They are not industrial sector. They are not industries. 4. Cultivated wheat is sold by farmers directly in the market. The answer is false. Why? Because the cultivated wheat is not sold by the farmers directly in the market. To whom they sell? They sell all the raw materials, that is the cultivated wheat, to the industries, and the industries will produce, the industries will ground the wheat into flour by using machines in the industries, and they will pack and they will make those flour available in the market. So cultivated wheat is sold by the farmers not directly in the market, they are sold to the factories, to the industries, and the industries will manufacture into flour and the industries will make them available in the market. So the farmers will not sell directly in the market. The farmers will sell to the industries. So the statement is false. 5. The arts and crafts of India are well known around the world. Yes, the arts and crafts, the drawings and paintings and the handicrafts, the handmade things of India are very famous, are well known around all over the world. So dear children, I hope you understood about this lesson. In our next class, we will revise exercise C, answer these questions. Thank you. Have a nice day.